In a previous video, we've already discussed about the use of if, but it condition. Just one like this script that I'm showing you. This has already been discussed in a previous video. So at if, only one condition. If the number of students is more than 30, then it will be written full student. If not more than 30, she had no message, means only one condition. If more than 30, now we will create two conditions if. The first condition, for example fulfilled or unfulfilled, a message will appear. And if you don't, a message will also appear. So there are two conditions, if fulfilled and if not fulfilled. Okay, let's just delete this. Let's make a new one. Now I want to create a variable. I named it v. I give the value a 75. Yes, then I give again variable. I give the value 70, then I use if here. Means that this variable. Let's do it like this. If the variable v it's more than or the same as, we create limit variables. We give here a colon. Then we give like this. Print we say it passed. Next if. Condition is not like this is like this fourth line. Then it says it didn't pass. Else, colon. We say it did not pass. Okay, we just keep it. CTRL plus S. Well, here we are. Run like this. Then it will. Written pass. Why did you pass? Because the value of this v. More or equal to. Or more than or equal to. More than the same as the limit. The limit is 70. Mean these 75 over 70. It will be written. Pass like this. If not, then do not pass. Example, we replace this. V variable 65, then it will be written. Did not pass. This one will read. We prove. Well, like this. Did not pass. You can also modify it here. For what it's called, variable. The v can be inputted, yes. I had previously make a video about usage. Input here. So you can add. Try you guys. Hopefully tutorial. This is useful.